Hey guys, today we're back with another car from MRT Performance. This is a 2017 Camaro SS convertible, and we have a custom MRT exhaust on this. The only catback that fits the Camaro convertible on the market, which is kind of interesting. All of the extra bracing and chassis support for the convertible makes it pretty difficult and pretty challenging to fit a catback exhaust. Lots of axle-back systems on the convertible Camaros, but the catback is a unique setup on this one. We have Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires on all four corners, lowering springs, quite a few bolt-ons, long tube headers. We'll list all the modifications in the description, but a pretty cool build. Very, very sharp looking Camaro, all blacked out, and you can even see the license plate says "to black." We also have a shout out to Motor City Camaro Club. This has the ceramic coated black exhaust tips. The rest of the exhaust is also ceramic coated too, but usually from MRT it's just the tips. A custom system. We have kind of a, not quite a Helmholtz style resonator underneath there, but a drone mitigation system. It's still a bit of a chilly day today, but I figured, you know what, might as well just run with the top down. Camaro looks proper with the roof down, and I haven't driven a convertible Camaro in quite a while, and it's been a long time since I've driven a modified one. This is an automatic, still makes great noises. We've got paddle shifters. Should be a fun drive to kick off spring in this Camaro SS. Startup on this is so gnarly. 34,000 miles. For all of you clamoring for American muscle and V8s in recent videos, this should satisfy. We'll start driving with the top down, and then we'll probably put it up for a few miles. Cruising around, it's pretty muted, pretty subtle, and then when you get on it, it really rips. Cruising here on the highway, 70 miles an hour, pretty toned down, pretty quiet. These Camaros are so much fun. 8-speed automatic rattles off some pretty quick shifts when you get higher into the RPMs. Got a few different drive modes. We're in sport. That's probably what we'll leave it in. fantastic. When you get into it, this display comes up on the digital dash in the center. It says performance shift active. That's fun. It knows you're wanting to drive spiritedly. What a mean Camaro. We'll drive with the top up a little bit, see what it sounds like in the cabin. So many great noises. Going uphill, we've got a little bit of drone, but not too bad. One more pull. So much fun. Alright guys, well hopefully you enjoyed that drive. Stayed a little bit quieter for this review just so you could enjoy the exhaust. Alright, well that's going to wrap up this video. Thanks again to MRT Performance for hooking me up with this Camaro today and letting us take it out, share it with you guys. If you're interested in a catback exhaust for your convertible Camaro SS, would highly recommend checking out their systems. I'll put a link in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. That's going to be it for this one. We'll see you in the next video. Take care.